Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make miso soup without dashi. Start by soaking kombu in cold water for 30 to 60 minutes to draw out minerals and glutamates, or simmer dried shiitake gently for 15 minutes for a mushroom stock. Strain solids, keep liquid warm but not boiling, then dissolve miso in a small ladle of stock before adding back to preserve probiotics and flavor balance. Gather simple ingredients and prep them before you heat your stock so the soup comes together quickly. Measure about 4 cups of water, add a 4-inch strip of kombu or 2 large dried shiitake, and hydrate wakame for a few minutes. Cube firm tofu into bite-sized pieces and slice scallions thinly. Keeping everything ready lets you finish the soup gently and preserve texture. Heat your infused stock until just before boiling, then lower the heat to maintain gentle warmth. Scoop a small amount of warm stock into a bowl, whisk in miso until fully dissolved, and return it to the pot without boiling. Add tofu and wakame at the end, warm through briefly, then finish with sliced scallions. This careful method preserves probiotics and maximizes delicate flavor while preventing bitterness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.